This video will show you how to view the 3D earthquake model through the Geoscience Australia data portal. Once in the portal, go up to the top right corner and change the persona to the Community and Education persona. In the top left corner, click on the Layers tab and go down to the 3D Layers section. Click on Earthquakes and then click on the Historic Earthquakes Global Dataset. Click on the Add to Map button to load the 3D model onto your screen. Note that this may take a moment to load this dataset as it is a large global 3D model. Once fully loaded, you can click with your left mouse button and hold down to drag and change your viewpoint. You can use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom into a particular region, or click the plus and minus buttons in the top right corner. In this dataset, the dark blue dots represent earthquakes closest to the surface, and as the colours change through to green, yellow, down to red, the earthquake data is going deeper into the earth. To alter the data you can see here, click back on the Layers tab in the top left corner. Go down to the Earthquake section, and here you can adjust sliders to affect the time, the magnitude range, and the depth range of your dataset. You can drag the time slider to the left to show the earliest earthquakes in your dataset. You can set a specific magnitude range for your dataset. Note that there are no earthquakes in this model below a magnitude 3. You can also adjust the depth by setting a specific range for your deepest to your shallowest earthquakes. Once you have made the selections as you wish, you can close that side panel and explore the map data you have presented.